people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on your location. This is Aproko Analyzer TV, bringing the news down to your doorstep. This story concerns all those irresponsible parents for Europe where they bomb, try, like say tomorrow not day. And these parents, so they not get what they want to take care of these children. All waiting they count on now social make and social aspire comport where they want to feed their children, make them can grow. And some see they will be say they go get belle, they go they pregnant, they go see they go ogberaga, go they find money. Ah, not be person give you belle. If the person will give you belle, if he never ready to take nurture pikin, why you go come dey born? You that woman will go dey hotel begin dey find how you want a born join another pikin. Born another pikin join the one wey you don first get for inside hotel wey be say you never arrange your life. Abeg make una change una reasoning. How manage you wey newborn pikin never reach 3 months, you go begin carry yourself again go gberaga go dey find money wey you say you want to buy milk. We all know say no be milk you wan use the money to buy, because na shoe and bag you wan use am take buy for your husband or for that your boyfriend wey still give you belle put you for that situation wey you dey. Abeg make una change una way. No be me talk am o, make una no come fight me tomorrow. Na our brother Adasin na I come leave this message for una. Make una take change, make una for take wise. Abeg, for una wey be say na the first time una take dey watch this channel, make una try, make una subscribe to my YouTube channel, make una share, make this video for go viral. If una get anything wey una wan contribute for this video wey I don drop so, make una leave una comment for comment section. I go reply all of una. Thank you very much for watching.
Yes! You will do a shower, you go born. You don't born finish now. You put picking for us. You still go back to Ashawo Road. If you never ready to take care of picking, why born the picking? If you never ready, say, because now, may I break am for you. The world where women and you dey, it don't today stressful already. Happy you know the see wetin dey happen, COVID, everything. So it dey wrong. It dey wrong. Say for this era where we dey, you want born and you not ready to train her. You want bring innocent pikin come this world and you not ready to take care of that pikin. Nobody dey force you. Nobody dey tell you say if you not born and die. Nobody dey tell you say no, more broken. I might tell you something. When I born my son, and I don't want to mention my friend name will advise me this advice. But when I born my son, my friend meet me. Tell me say, I see you born this pikin so it's easy for you. Now what you just do, you just tell your wife say, me your wife they go rescue the crop, go they collect milk and pampers. Immediately as that nonsense come up for your mouth, I rebuke him. The list you know, I rebuke him. Let them say, God forbid. As far say I dey breathe, my pikin and my wife, they can never step their feet in rescue the cure. Me my pikin go dey collect, because if you say that rescue the cure, milk wey they give them a sour milk wey already spoil, something wey wan spoil. Now they give. You know say when I tell my friend that word, immediately I saw the anger in his face. Believe it. Like the next thing where they say, they advise you, you know they take, you dey feel say now you know, but no. Now pride, now responsibility, not be French government send me my born. Not be rescue the court tell me my go born. Now responsibility, now my responsibility. But because say in a lazy fellow, if he say na rescue the cure, irresponsibility na rescue the cure, you picking na rescue the cure. You don't understand? But that same friend of mine start to dey judge me, start to dey call me name, say I dey feel, I dey form, wetin I get. But no, in a reality speaking, it's just my responsibility. I don't see me you not born. Don't get me wrong. I don't say me you not born. But make sure say you get something doing before you born. And make sure say you have, like, all of us say, yeah, Europe, forget. Now you know my work, bro. And I know say hard. People did the barber. For this time, 2014, me learn how to barber for Sedini. And maybe some of you know, some of you know, bro, Swincy. Now teach me how to barber 2014 for Sedini. For this same time with me and you day. You know, you not just before they tell me say bomb, but no. I tell they say I calculate myself. I don't want born picking. Say I don't fit take care of the picking. I want to get something before I go born. And really everything work with my favor the way I planned it. You don't understand? I don't see me you not born. Okay, now for example, now somebody say, okay, what about those who born with mistake? And say they conquer belly, they don't know. I agree. I know the that time. But you born first picking. Government, you could call one, whether not 115 or whatsoever. You call 115 and they give you whatsoever they give to you. Then they put you for hotel. You not gonna get sense, say you need to go find work. Picking need growth more. They know. But some of us, we go find carry another belly. You know get plan? One of my friends tell me, say, time to come. Some children for this Paris, if they born for this town, for this France, they go also for Chateau Rouge. They go also for Macadet. Because the parents, no good foundation. No good things at all. How you born? You don't born. That's still right the year. You don't born. They don't force you born. Then you can't picking. Picking will never reach anything. You go can't picking. You go drop picking. You go and shall walk. You see what you concern una. What you concern that song. Why you no concern me? Because of that picking I ain't no sense. You know bad stigma where you dey live for that picking life. You know what you dey teach that picking. Nobody force you make you born. I don't be against you saying you do asha will continue now your life. If tell you want stop. Now your profession, now your calling. Do am. I don't be against them. What you dey against now to bring picking on this world? When you know say the world all this stressful already. You bring picking on now, not the Saturday do one kind. You feel okay now, think of it, you not get house. No more than honest too. I be very honest person. You not get house. You not get document. You not get work. You not get anything at all. You dey born poa ogbeli. Then you dey wait say government will come take your father. There be mumu. All those people not be government they pay, not be government, not be people money that they pay una. That they pay una for hotel to hotel. Imagine you just born pikin at the early age of pikin, you don't stay different hotel because of 115. You not still get sense now. So, okay, may I settle down? No. May I learn work? No. May I find something to do? No. You still go the born again. Then they now 115 now come tell you say CIB blame 115 whether na 115 they call them rescue the call they call them you they blame them. Try get sense. And try get sense. This is not message that they pass you. If you born, you never get what you they do. Fail train that one where you born. Fail later and get future. All these children where you they born, you they born putu, no future. You tell me say I not be God, but plan your life well. We come up from Nigeria say, me as advance say my pikin can never go through what I go through. My pikin, any of my kids, where I born with my bola, they can never pass stress where I go through. They can never go through that thing where I go through. Now, what will be your legacy when you live for your children? At the age of small pikin, don't follow all the old hotel. You don't eat all the old fake milk, all the old comport, we rescue the call, the true way. Even the rescue the call, they insult you now. You get one day where the past one, we didn't want happy, see insult. See the way they talk to you now. Just because of say, una the fool na self. Okay, imagine, now, may I really bust your morale? Imagine say government not the assist for children for this Europe, my brother, my sister. You foresee many world children in Nigeria picking for outside because of their nonsense, because of their useless idea. If you want born, make sure say you have something doing first. Okay, first picking come. You not feel even think say my fair position myself. I get one idea when they tell me say he will go born 5 children. He not get work. you no get paper, you no dey do anything. You say, well, I dey look this one, say this one dey craze. This one sef na mugu. I dey ask am say how you take train am. He say, I government in Bamako comot now. Imagine, see the orientation wey you dey want make dem take train your children for you. So my people, try get something doing first. If you want stop Ashawo work, stop. Find something do. No, I know say e hard. And if you stop Ashawo work, wetin you go come do? Before you stop, learn work. Learn how to do well. Learn something. Find your document. If you don't get all those things, then you want to stop. Raise your pikin well. The world don't full. The world they don't too full of miscreant already. Most of they produce more miscreant. My message where I come pass to una be this. N'importe quoi. Alexa, back like a dog.